welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's been a couple of days since I've recorded a video, but I have been very, very busy. Cannot complain though, getting things done. Whew. Let me go ahead and that's a little bit better. That'll do for now. But guess we'll do a little bit of a POV drive right now. And just enjoy the decent weather that we're having here in Texas. It's finally not 100 degrees out every single day. Technically, it is boost weather now, which is dope. Oh, this dude has locked up the whole gas station. Jesus. Brakes are squealing. Shoot. I have to do like a 10-point turn. Huh. Just to get out of here. All right. Oh my goodness, man. How many service trucks are gonna be coming in and out? God! It's about to take 20 minutes to get out the gas station. I think she just hopped the curb too. I hope you guys have been having a great week. This U-turn. We're getting some pops and bangs. Student driver. Oh boy. I guess we'll get some highway POV in this vid too. Hear my clutch slipping slightly. Let's roll up one window. But whenever I be driving the 350 on the highway, I always have to go ahead and put it in like the regular mode, just so it's a smoother ride. Let me know if I'm the only one that does that. This guy's trying to get in for like 20 minutes. I don't know if he knows this is blinkers on. lot of traffic. Alright, so man, that truck is straight piped. Made it out of that mess, but we're hitting insane traffic. Jesus Christ, bro, that truck sounds crazy. And my GoPro's about to die, man, so if the video ends abruptly, I do apologize. Oh, no way! He better chase the cat. You better chase the cat. You better chase the cat. Hell yeah. I should say. Hell yeah. Oh man, we got a BMW here too. This is about to be interesting. Hell yeah, that's dope. Come on, man. That thing is clean. You don't see white ones. Hell yeah, brother. You really don't see white ones ever. Or at least I don't. I really have never seen a white one out here. It's always like blue. I know there's a blue one out here, but hell, that thing's clean. Used to take that baby out of quiet mode though. See, I be telling people, man, a lot of PS with 350s, they keep them in quiet mode. I like take it out of quiet mode. All right, so that's pretty cool that there's another 350 out here, man. Pretty cool. Oh, these pops. I know there's a white one, there's a blue one, and there's a yellow one out here. That's cool. I mean, mine is pretty obvious. I mean, mine sticks out like a sore thumb. Yellow 350 with a carbon fiber hood. That's fully catless. You know what I'm saying? You can hear it coming. You can smell the E85. You can see it from a mile away. I mean, there's people that I don't even want to know. Who've probably seen the car, taking photos of it and stuff like that. Shit, I remember there was one guy, actually a cop that pulled up next to me. He's like, "Hey, do you have a YouTube channel?" I was like, You know, that's always kind of sketch, but you know, cool. He was a car guy as well. He had a Cobra, which I thought was pretty dope. A Whipple Cobra for that matter. So I'm trying to find out, you know, where his Cobra's at, because I've honestly never seen a Terminator out here at all, and this was out here, so that's pretty cool. I know there's 350s out here, there's Cobras out here, but this is the first time that I've actually ran into another 350 out here in mine. I don't know if I said that earlier in the video. It's always, you know, when I'm in the New Edge or when I was in the FRS, I would run into them. Now that I'm in mine, I'm starting to see them, which is dope. Weather's getting cooler, so always nice to go ahead and see what's up, man. It's like 85 degrees right now. It was 73 in Houston. Obviously, I came back from Houston, but I don't know. It's weird. It's weird, but I'm actually kind of ready for some boost weather, so I can go ahead and really go ahead and run this car as well as the 2-valve, because I learned from last summer it's absolutely pointless to do modifications in the summer. It's just too hot. There's no point. There's literally no point. Better to do that shit in the fall. Run it during Texas 2K and then just fine tune during the summer. There's literally no reason to do any type of like major modifications in the dead of heat. Shops are booked and the car ain't gonna make no type of power, and it's probably gonna run like shit because it's hot as fuck. Oh man. I know these people out here are gonna be very happy I'm not gonna be in this area. Making all this noise. In this car, it really does mess you up, for real. It for real does mess you up. God, man, I don't get people can ride these cars in quiet mode. Like, I get on the highway, keep it in quiet mode, but like around the town, hell nah. GoPro's probably gonna die in a little bit, so whew. Had to get that out my system. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I'm probably gonna call this right now because I know my GoPro is about to die, so before it does, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.